This is Ventusa or cupping massage. What is Ventusa? Ventusa is one of a kind massage as it uses heat and alternative pressure to create suction on the skin. What are the benefits of cupping? It includes local pain relief and muscle relaxation. Cupping improves all over health by removing the energy blockage that TCM practitioners identify as barriers to the flow of healthy energy or QI for athletes. Cupping may increase blood flow to a particular muscle region or help reduce pain. Cupping is a deep tissue massage that can reduce discomforts dramatically, including neck pain and back pain. Why cupping leaves a mark so dark? Depending on the amount of suction and state of the tissue, cupping can leave circular marks on the skin that range from a light yellow to pinkish red to dark purple. From an acupuncture perspective, the darker the marks, the more stagnation of QI and blood in that area, and the mark can last a few hours to 10 days before gradually fading. What to avoid after cupping? Avoid caffeine, avoid alcohol, sugary drinks, dairy, and processed meats. Why? Because these foods slow down your body's ability to process the treatment. Number 2, avoid hot showers. Avoid sauna, hot tubs, strong air conditioning. Number 3, avoid intensive exercise. Avoid cold and windy conditions. So yan po ang dapat pong wag gawin pagkatapos po ng massage na ito o sinasabing Ventusa. And don't do cupping if you have these conditions. At hindi rin po lahat ay pwede pong gumawa ng cupping o Ventusa. May mga conditions or disorders po na bawal po gawin ito. Number 1, bleeding disorders or hemophilia. Kung meron kayong blood clotting problems such as deep vein thrombosis or history of strokes. Anyway, before going for cupping or Ventusa, you should have consult the doctor first. Number 2, don't do cupping if you have these conditions. Avoid cupping if you have skin disorders like eczema and psoriasis. So that's it about Ventusa for now. And if you want to try Ventusa and if you want to know more about Ventusa, comment down. And please, let's see the next video and let's expose the sign-up saloon.
Ang mga uses ng apple cider vinegar or ACV. What is ACV or what is apple cider vinegar? The benefits and the uses of apple cider vinegar. Alam niyo po ba na ang dami pong uses ng apple cider vinegar? Napakaganda po at organic po ito. Meron pong 101 uses of apple cider vinegar aside po from the benefits of ACV. Now, kung gusto niyo pong malaman ang mga bagay na ito, just keep on watching.
How do you use apple cider vinegar? What is apple cider vinegar? It is a vinegar made from fermented apple juice and used in salad dressings, marinades, and for preservatives. It is made by crushing apples then squeezing out the juice. Apple cider vinegar has a long history as a home remedy. ACV or apple cider vinegar is a fermented liquid made from crushed apples, and when special bacteria is added, the yeast turns up the sugar from the apples and releases special compounds, including things like acidic acids. Well, the vinegar means sour wine in French. Now, how do you see that you got a natural, raw, organic vinegar? Here's how it is. A sign that you have a good raw vinegar is you are going to see the mother or little strings of the good bacteria. It is a little funky, but it's normal because these are some of the good bacteria. The good and organic ACV is drug. This ACV can find in supermarket, pharmacy, or grocery stores. Now let's talk about the ACV and its benefits. Number 1, it kills bacteria. You know, vinegar has been used to clean and disinfect for 100 years. In fact, studies suggest that it does kill bacteria. Because of this, ACV has been used topically in a small wounds, nail fungus, warts, and head lice. So yan po ang gamit po ng ACV. Number 2 benefits, it also helps prevents food cravings. Sour cravings can reduce our desire for food and sugar, so it can really help to lose weight. Just add a spoon of ACV into a liter of water and drink it before meal to reduce cravings. Number 3, lowers blood sugar levels. Several studies shows that ACV improves insulin sensitivity during a high carbohydrates meal. As much as 34%, it also improves heart health. Animal studies suggest that ACV lowers cholesterol, triglycerides, and blood pressure. Number 4, protect against cancer. There are some studies shows that some types of vinegar are actually kills cancer cells and even shrink tumors. So yan po ang mga health benefits po ng apple cider vinegar. Yan lang po yan sa mga benefits po ng apple cider vinegar. So ngayon po ay atin naman pong titingnan po ang mga uses po ng apple cider vinegar. So ngayon po atin naman pong aalamin po ang mga don'ts po ng apple cider vinegar. Kasi po hindi po porkit ibig sabihin na ito ay organic o natural po, lahat po ay pwede pong mag-take nito. Sa mga nakaraan ko pong mga video, may mga ilan po na nabanggit ko na rin na naman po na hindi po lahat ng mga plants o organic o natural medicine o ano pa dyan po ay may mga condition po na hindi po dapat i-take ang mga bagay na ito o kung tayo po ay merong under medication po. Tulad po ng mga sumusunod po na ito, do not take apple cider vinegar if you have on these conditions or medications. So number 1, diuretics. Yung pong nagtitake kayo ng Duril, Lasix, Microcidia, or Taliton. These medications are as usually used in the treatment of bloating since they stimulate the body to remove the accumulated liquids. Potassium can maintain the balance of water in the body. As we said before, apple cider vinegar lowers the levels of potassium, which will result in dehydration. So number 2, don't take apple cider vinegar if you are taking insulin. The combination of these two can significantly lower the potassium and blood sugar levels. Be very careful while using the apple cider vinegar. The long term of use of ACV can cause low potassium levels in the body, thus leading to other health problems. Potassium can maintain the balance of water in the body. As we said again, apple cider vinegar lowers the levels of potassium, will result in dehydration. Number 3 po, postmenopausal woman. Yung mga nagme-menopause po o mga katatapos lang po nag-menopause, wag pong mag-take ng apple cider vinegar as a drink. Postmenopausal women are more likely to have reduced bone density. As we said again, ACV lowers the potassium levels